helping my career growth. The environment in the company is pretty cool as everyone keeps enjoying their work as well as fun activities in the company. The best part of the company is giving full flexibility for the doing work with allowing individuals to follow the passion. We do a lot of fun and chit chat in our break time and celebrate the Fun to Fridays activities that help us to come out from the stress and workload. We as a family contribute each of the movements together and make a healthy and fun environment in the company. And let me take you through the people and their views about the company.
Hi, myself Kushak Srivastava. I've joined W3 Villa as a trainee and now I got to learn and work with Ishank sir on ROR and Angular, and it was a huge learning curve for me. The environment of the company is really nice. We can enjoy and work simultaneously. In my free time, I usually play guitar and chat with friends. Thank you.
Okay, so I joined here as a fresher, and the environment here is quite cheerful, and everyone is so helping. Company works on the different futuristic technologies, and I'm getting training on the technologies like blockchain and all. And except that, like at the end of the weekends, we get we do Fun to Fridays and all. So we have the fun activities here. That's all.
Let's see what fresher feel and their views about the company.
Hi, I am Abhishek Mishra, joined W3 Villa Technologies 3 months back as a fresher. This journey of 3 months was full of excitement, learning and dedication. Every day is a fresh start here, where I get the opportunity to explore something new. In the free time, we used to have walk and talk with each other, which is very mind refreshing. Proud to be a part of this organization.
I must say, we have a good learning environment in the company, and we do lots of training sessions which help us to do better in every field. Let's check out how we do training activities in the office.
Hi everyone, I'm Amreen Pratap Singh and working here in W3 Technologies from day one from past 7 years, and I love working here and the journey so far is really very great, and I like to learn new technologies here and work in a solution oriented approach from every department in the company. And as you know, the sharing is caring, so I love to share my knowledge with all my juniors, all my teammates here, and for that in free time I take sessions on different topics so that every individual can work in their best way, in a smart way and very efficiently. And there is a lot you can learn from your teammates, so all the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi Gupta and I'm a software engineer here at W3 Villa. My journey with W3 Villa has been exciting and amazing throughout. The thrill of learning and growing never ends here. Since my early days, my peers have always pushed me towards doing great work, enlightening me throughout the way, and I've never feared the Monday blues. W3 Villa has not just helped me grow as an engineer but as a person too. I want to share a quote that would accurately describe my journey here. Leaders can let you fail and yet not let you be a failure. Thank you everyone. Have a merry jolly Christmas and a very happy new year.
Hello everyone. I am Srinath. I am working here as a project manager since last 4+ years. Last 4 years were very amazing for me in terms of learning as well as grooming myself personally. I have learned a lot here. I had seen a task turning into a department and department turning into an organization, and this experience is really very amazing, and it's add on lots and lots of things in my career as well. We are still learning a lot, we are grooming ourselves, and we are achieving the milestones, and we are moving towards the success step by step, and we are doing all these things all because of our amazing team which we have. I would like to thank each and everyone from W3 Villa for their help, support and dedication. Thank you.
The recruiting team is one of the key pillars of the company, who put their sweat into finding the best engineers for the company. So let's check out the views about the company.
Hi, this is Pinky and I'm working here as a team lead in recruitments. It's been 10 10 months working over here, and it's been a fantastic work experience till now. Thank you so much.
You know, I used to play a lot in my academics, and I was inspired by the people who are doing good in sports, such as Virat Kohli, Ronaldo, Vishwanath Anand, PV Sandhu, etc. I know it's very hard to give the time in sports activity while you are working in the company, but my company provides the hefty time for the playing indoor and outdoor games. That was helped me out to look after my physical activity. We do play a lots of games in the company and outside the company. Let's have a look at the views of our colleagues.
Hello everyone, myself Ashu, working as a video content creator since last 6 months. All are so cooperative and helpful. Besides all the workload, we spare our time to play chess, which freshen and sharpen our minds. I am glad to be a part of W3 Villa Technologies.
You know what is the most important thing in the company? Yes, you're right, it's people management. We are lucky enough as we have a good HR team with us who not only work on HR activity but also work on people management so that no one feels isolated or distracted. Our HR team is very humble and problem solver. Now let's check out the view of our highly skilled HR team.
Hey my hardworking W3 Villites and all the other viewers, my name is Parminder Kaur, working as an HR manager here. The journey with W3 Villa has really been an amazing swing. There was the time before 5 months where I was single-handedly performing all the HR tasks. So yes, W3 Villa is an amazing platform to grow, and I got my family here. And yes, we not only make rangolis, we make people happy and satisfied also. And yes, I do not like we will get back to you for rejections. Be straightforward, give feedbacks, and if you like this change, please give a shout out. I hope you guys did. Hope you all are also enjoying your journey with W3 Villa family. Have a great day, great Christmas, and a very happy New Year to all. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Soumya Bhatt and I work as an HR executive here, and it's been 9 months since I'm working here in the HR department. So my main key responsibilities is to coordinate with the Fun to Friday activities. Let me start with the first activity. We generally play dumb shards. I mean, we are a champion in this, and we do have 3-4 more activities like Pictionary, and one of the activities that we find very interesting would be musical chairs, and also we believe that these activities can help us to increase the bond amongst the employees. And yes, we have a wonderful environment in this organization. And
You know, I'm very fond of sales, as this is the most critical and excited part, where salespeople start the day by talking to the new people, and the day ended with the same. I feel that they are also one of the pillars of the company who always carry a load of business on their shoulder. I salute our dedicated sales team who keep us alive in the company.
My name is Rashi. I'm from a sales team. I've been working with W3 Villa for 2 years, and it's been fantastic and amazing journey so far. So as you all aware with, I'm from a sales background. Our main market is US, APIC and European regions, and communication and a good relationship are the key mantra for any sales or product. And I would like to thank Mr. Shyam Gupta, Mr. Arvind Singh and Mr. Pradeep Bist and Mrs. Parminder Kaur, who always been supported throughout the years. And I'm looking forward to working with W3 Villa and feel so honored for being part of it. Thank you. Thanks everyone.
I hope you like the people around us. And yes, we are W3 Villas. We believe in diversity in our culture. That's why we spend all the festivals together in our company. Let's have a look at the 2021 journey as we spend together.
Hey, we are W3 Billion.